How to use Google My Business for local SEO. So hello everyone, so today's video I will show you guys on how to use the Google Business Profile. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, just simply head over to google.com/business, and then once you're here, just simply click on Manage Now. So what we're going to do is just simply set up our business profile. So just simply click on Manage Now. Just wait for it to load, and then there you go. So get your business discovered on Google Search, Maps, and more. So just simply add first your business name right here. So sample business, something like that. Click on continue. There you go. So next is choose your business type. So you can select all that apply to your business right here. So if you're on online retail, you simply click on this, local store or service business. So for example, I'll just choose a local store right there. Click on next, and then there you go. Next is enter a business category. So help customers discover your business by industry by adding a business category. So you can change and add more later. So just simply add your business category right here. So for example, I'll just add something related to technology. How about something like this, event technology service. Click on next. And then there you go. So next is enter your business address. So just simply enter your address right here. So add your street address, the suburb, the city, the postal code, and the province. So yeah, so just fill all of these details out for your business address so that customers will know on where they can visit your business in person. Next is where are you located? So in here, what you want to do is just ping the area on the map and where your business is located. So for example, I'll just ping like a random area right here in the United States. So for example, I'll just ping this section right here, just like that. And then once you're done pinging your business, just simply click on next. After putting your or pinning your business on the map, you just simply add your phone number right here for verification. For me, I'll just verify that later. Next is adding the business hours. So in here, just add the business hours. You can let customers know when you're open for business. So just simply add those details here. So let's say Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we are open at around 9 a.m. for all of these. 9 a.m. and then, 9 a.m. and then we close at around 5 p.m. just like that. And then there's also an option right here that you can also let it be 24 hours. So if your business works 24/7, you can enable this feature as well, just like that. And also add hours right here as well. So if you have like breaks or something, you can do so. So yeah. Then once you're done, simply click on next. There you go. Next is business description. Just simply add a business description right here for your business. So let customers learn more about your business by adding description to your business profile on search, maps, and other Google services. So just simply add those details right here. So for example, just say this is a sample, just like that. Click on next, and then there you go. Next is adding photos to your images. So in here, just simply show off your products or services and let customers peek inside your business. So just simply drag images right here, or you can just simply select images right here in your downloads folder. And then once you're done adding your photos, just simply click on next, and then there you go. So it says right here, claim your $1,000 advertising credit. So you can start advertising your business right here. So if you want to do that, just simply click on claim credit. But for me, I'll just skip that. Next is you can also get a custom domain for your website and a custom email address. So you can use Google Workspace for business emails, video conferencing, cloud storage, and file sharing. So if you want to try this out, just simply click on try Google Workspace. So yeah, but for me, I'll just skip it. And then there you go. So once you're done customizing your profile, it will say right here, your edits will be visible once you're verified. So you can continue to make updates to your profile at any time. All your edits will be visible to customers on Google once your company has been verified. So just simply click on continue, and then there you go. So we'll be redirected here. So as you can see right here, your business is not visible to customers. So what you can do is just simply edit your profile right here. You can also read reviews, photos, add updates, performance, advertise your business, edit products, edit services, bookings, and Q&A. You can also change your address right here as well, your hours, add a phone number, website, and see photos. So if you want to get verified, just simply click on get verified right here. And there you go. So just simply add your phone number and then just continue with the next steps. So yeah. Next is you can also again edit your profile right here as well. So in here you can edit out your business name, your business category, the description, opening date, your phone number, your website, your social profiles, your business location, your service area, business hours, add special hours. You can also add more hours right here. And for more right here, you can add like from your business, accessibility, amenities, crowd, parking, service options, and a lot more. So yeah, so you can edit out all of these business information out. Next is read reviews. So in here, you'll get to see all the reviews left by customers right here. Next is photos. So in here you can add additional photos right here for your business. So you can add like a cover photo and a logo for your business. Next is adding updates. So in here you can add updates right here relating to your business. So you can post updates to your customers on Google, create an offer and attract customers to your business, and you can also let customers know about events that you're hosting. So you can view all of these updates out. Next is performance. So in here you'll get to see a detailed view of the performance of your business, like analytics on how many clicks you get or how many people are visiting your business. Next is advertising. So in here you can just simply advertise your business to gain more customers. So in here you will need to create a Google Ads account and then just simply create a new campaign and then just simply set this up. Next is edit products. So in here you can edit products right here for your business. So if you want to add products right here to your business, you can do so. So just simply add a product name right here, select the category of your product, the price, the product description, and the product landing page URL, which is optional. So just simply fill all of these details out to add your product. Or services as well, so you can add your services right here. So you can add a custom service right here. And yeah. Next is bookings. So if you want to like let customers make appointments and reservations through Google, you can simply verify or set it up here through bookings. And then lastly is we have Q&A. So if customers have like questions about your business or want to connect with you, you can simply set this up as well. So yeah, everything is really quite simple to set up. All you have to do is just click on which part of your business you want to set up, and then yeah. So this right here is our business. So you will get to see everything right here about your business, like the address, the name, and etc. So yeah, and then after that, you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Google My Business for local SEO. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.